Neil and Paul had different sums of money. If Neil spent $40 each week and Paul spent $80 each week, Neil would still have $1,040 left when Paul spent all his money. If Neil spent $80 each week and Paul spent $40 each week, Neil would still have $320 left when Paul had spent all his money. How much money did Paul have at first? If Neil is spending $40 each week and Paul is spending $80 each week, it means that Paul is spending twice as much money as Neil. So we'll have to draw Paul as spending twice. So draw a 2 unit here, while Neil is only spending 1 unit. Now when Neil is only spending half as much as Paul, Neil would still have an additional $1,040 left, while Paul has already finished spending all his money. This means that these 2 units of Paul is all that Paul has. Okay, looking at the next sentence, it says that if Neil now spends $80 each week instead, and Paul is spending $40 each week, so it is now reversed. Paul is spending half as much as Neil. So Paul is only spending 1 unit, while Neil is spending twice as much. In the end, Neil will still have $320 left. Okay. When Paul had spent all his money. So again, Paul has finished spending all his money. Now, since Paul has finished spending all his money, it means that the 1 unit here and the 2 units here must be the same, because this is what Paul has in the first place. He has spent everything. So the 1 unit here must be equivalent to the 2 units on top. So I need to cut this model into 2. So I cut this, and I'll do the same for Neil. So looking at the model, you can see that 3 units of Neil plus $320 is actually equivalent to $1,040 just by comparing. So from here, I can actually work out as 3 units plus $320